guys, Rachel here. Welcome back to my channel, and I am back with another impromptu try-on haul review video. So I got a package from YOINS, and I got some stuff in here that I will be trying on for the very first time, you guys. But yeah, I got some summer, spring stuff which I'm really excited about, and I will show you guys one by one. I will be trying them on. If you guys have been watching my videos, you know how this kind of video works. I'm gonna start with this one here. It looks like that, and I also have mentioned this on my previous haul when I featured YOINS. They actually have their own brand, so like YOINS, most of the stuff that I received from them before, they have like the YOINS brand. And again, the patches with the oh, is it a real it's not a real pocket? No, it's not a real pocket. Oh well, that's fine. We'll try this on. It has the cinch detail on here, so you can cinch it up like that. For some reason, I have been liking like high neck shirts lately. It feels nice actually. I'm not mad at this. I can imagine myself wearing like a leather jacket over this, so this is nice. Next one is another top, I think. Oh no. It is crop top. I like this detail, very 90s. I remember like when I was really young, like shirts with this detail here was very popular, and now it's coming back. I really like this color as well. Oh, the picture on the website looks very sexy. Ooh, that is cropped. On the website, it looks like a very like nudish pink, which looks really good. But this one is more of like very baby pink. But yeah, I like that detail right there. It looks really nice. I like this one. I can imagine myself wearing a very high-waisted like maxi skirt or jeans with this. And yeah. Okay, next one is this one. What is this? Oh, a dress. Yes. I like it. This fits me really nicely. Oh, nice. Yes, I like that it gives me that shape. I like the sleeve and this detail here, the black, and I love stripes. I love black, I love white. Oh, I love this. It feels really nice as well. The length is perfect, just right above my knee, and yeah, I think it looks good. I love this. So far, very, very, very good. Ooh. Swimwear, swimwear, swimwear. Oh, yes. Oh, extra small. That should fit me. Again from YOINS. And then the side looks like that. Oh, I hope this fits me. I have been wanting a high-waisted swimwear. I hope that fits me. The top, same YOINS. Double XS, and wait, oh, it's like that, guys. This is the top. The top looks really nice. The bottoms is a big no-no. It looks like I'm wearing a bloody nappy diaper. Next one is, oh, I think I remember this. This is a, yeah, cover up. Perfect. I have swimwear on. I love this color. Very, very summer. Oh, I can wear this to the beach. Yes. I don't know, I think it's too big on me. It has that slit going on there and there as well. I wish it's very, very see-through because, you know, you want your swimwear to show a little bit. But I think it's way too big for me as well, but if you actually can see the slit, it's actually not bad. My hair is a mess, sorry. Next one is, oh, I love this color. Color. Ang ingay ng plastic nila, in fairness naman talaga. I just love rompers. They're very easy. Not when you want to pee though, but it's easy. It's like one piece and you're done. So you do not even have to think about your outfit. It's just, it's that. This color is perfect. Like it has color, but not like in your face. Yes, I'm wearing colorful clothing, you know? Do you have pockets? If you have pockets, I'm gonna love you forever. No, it doesn't have, No, it doesn't have pockets. That's fine. It is extremely wrinkly right now, but I love this. Oh my gosh, this is so good. I love YOINS. Guys, look at this. Wait, let me make a bow. You have a tie going on in here that actually doesn't really work. It's just like, yeah, you have a bow because this is already elastic. So this one doesn't really, it's not really a drawstring. It's just attached on there. Oh, this is my favorite so far. No, actually, the top, the pink top, and then the black. Oh, I love them all so far. Okay, a dress. Oh, yes. That is a really nice dress. I like that. Is it a dress or a romper? It is a romper. It is a romper, but it looks like a dress. See? On the website, it looks more black than white. In person, it has like more white portions, but still fine. I like this, you guys. I know it looks chaka right now because I need to adjust. This feels really nice. It just looks a bit big on me. Here, below, it fits perfectly. This part here, it looks a bit big, but the back looks perfect. It doesn't have pockets. It's not see-through as well, which is perfect. And this is like very, very nice for summer because the fabric is very breathable. It's nice. It's nice. Okay, this one. What are you? What are you? It's a blouse. Nice. Wow, you guys, that is wow. That is too much right there, but I like that it has a slit on the sleeve as well, like that. So I was thinking when I ordered this and when I saw this earlier, I was like, yeah, I'm gonna wear that to work. But now, no, maybe if I wear something underneath, yeah, a bandeau underneath, it's fine, but not like that because that's too much. Like, hello people. I like the peplum effect. If you had a big lunch, they cannot tell because it's hidden. It's hidden. Okay, now this one. Oh, I love this color as well. Oh my gosh. It is kind of like a deep mustard in person. Right now, it's showing kind of like a reddish orangey shade on the camera. It's taking me back to when I was like maybe 11, 12. It comes with like a belt thingy-majiggy that you can tie around your waist. It looks like this. I'm not quite sure about like the style, the wide leg. Maybe if it was a bit straight and not like really wide like that, it's fine. Right now it's very wide. I really like the color though. It looks really nice. Because I'm really short, the length of this on me is very awkward. I think it's supposed to be like mid-length for like normal size people. Oh, another swimwear. A one-piece. Oh, that's big. That is way too big. I'm not even gonna try this on. I just know it's big. Look at that. Yeah, that's way too big on me. Just imagine me wearing this. It's so big. A small will fit in this and it's gonna look really nice. Unfortunately, that's not me. What is this? A romper? No, short. Skirt? Shorts. Oh my gosh. Oh, that is nice. That is very well made. Like, there's no loose thread whatsoever. That smells nice as well. It smells like Gaisano mo. I tucked in the top so you can see the shorts, you guys. It's very rare for me to find shorts that actually fits me. And this fits me. I'm so happy. The back looks like that. It has pockets. Yes, it has pockets. And deep pocket as well, which is good. Nice. I like the print. It's not see-through. I like it. I really like it. What is this? What the? Ooh. I love this color. I'm not quite sure if I can wear something like this because look at that. That is so small. Oh, the model looks good with her high-waisted jeans. Nice. You guys, I like it. I really like it. I'm just not sure if I can wear it out because I feel like it's too much. This shade of whatever it is, green, whatever, is life. That looks really nice. I like that. I'm not sure if I will have the guts to actually wear it out because I feel like it's showing way too much. What is going on? Let me see. Oh, nice! Oh, nice! Nice. I thought if I raise my hand, it will be like, zoom, hello. But no, it's not. It's fine. Okay. Nice. I can move. It actually looks alright with the shorts because it covers my belly. But yeah, it is nice. I like this. That is it for the haul. I will be doing a giveaway because some of the stuff I'm not gonna use, and yeah, I'd rather give it to someone that can actually use it because it's actually really good quality. So I will be giving away this pair of trousers. This is size small. I will give that away. This as well. Really nice. If it fits you, it's gonna look great on you like that. And then this one as well. Again, you guys, very nice quality, not see-through. They're really good. I will leave the details below on how you can join the giveaway. But yeah, I have 3 stuff up for grabs. Please check the description box for the details of the giveaway. Please follow all the instruction. If you don't follow, you will be disqualified, of course. The links of everything will be down below. Really good quality stuff. Really good stuff. Please like if you want more of these. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys at my next one. Do not forget to be good. Bye. Mwah.